What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Demolition Darwin, episode 4, I believe we are now on. And it has come to my attention that I have lost all of the footage from the first draft that we played with the 600 FIFA points that you get from the edition I've got, because we get 1600 in so many installments. We didn't obviously pack anything of note, but all of that bit pointless now. But it is 6 p.m. and there is a new team of the week, so we are going to go and have a cheeky look at the team of the week. From what I've seen on Twitter and stuff along those lines, Diego Dallo is massively tipped to be in this team. I'm not sure on anyone else really. Oh, hang on, I'm having an absolute nightmare here. But the only one I've heard is Diego Dallo. I've just seen Luka Modric. Oh, so we've got is that Emmanuel Akanji? We've got Emmanuel Akanji and Mohamed Salah. Is that Irving Lozano, Chucky Lozano, Willie Orban, Marquinhos, Chesney, Akanji, Dallo, Salah, Ericsson, Modric. Oh, Big Giroud. Underrated, overhated. King Kai is a striker from the England-Germany game, I assume. Fofana, he's one to maybe even look out for. Mitrovic, and there's nothing really of note. And if they haven't really given us any SBCs today, it's going to be a little bit of a bad day for content for EA. And considering how early we are into the game, you'd expect the content to be popping every day, like every 6-bit. Early access upgrade, 78 plus, that's back. Marquee matchups I haven't done. Oh wow, that's really just it. But I'm going to do 4 of these guys. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I managed to do 2 without buying any players. I just don't want to buy any players to do this sort of SBC. So I had enough to do 2 in the club. Who's the first one? Ollie Watkins. And for the last packet of what I believe is just an underwhelming day of content for me, to be honest. Calabria, I mean, he doesn't really get minutes, to be honest. He didn't get minutes in this team. But anyway, guys, until the next one, thank you very much. This has just been the 6 p.m. content. I'm out. Take care. Peace and love, baby.